We don't get married to a specific gadget in the ideation or strategy phase because that really tends to narrow your choices in a way that was unproductive. If you come to us and say, we want a VR pop-up, we treat that more as a signal of the type of experience you want, and then define requirements like throughput, dwell time, staffing, hygiene, content. And VR might be right, or it might create bottlenecks, and we'll recommend a higher throughput solution that still hits the overall goal. Same thing goes if somebody came to me and said, we want an AI powered docent or hologram. The real questions are, what is the technology at this point? There's latency issues. What are the privacy ones? Upline, offline behavior, and how it gets maintained for a long period of time. So when we think about technology in the strategy phase, we tend to lean towards the simplest technology stack that achieves the desired outcome. And then we prove it with prototyping so that when we go to implement it, we know that this is going to be something that's reliable.